Hey guys, Ken McClellan here.
Michael Barris with you guys.
Welcome to today's Wealth WOD. I talked to Year 12 students about financial literacy, and really I'm just trying to get them accustomed to different terminology. When it comes to investing, a lot of people get scared when it comes to the finance realm. So talking about equity, talking about leverage, these terms are banking terms, and obviously with banking and lending large amounts of money, the thought of debt and risk and that whitewash of fear and pain overcomes you. And it's a very real thing, yeah? So we're going to talk today, and we're going to very clearly outline what equity is, how to leverage equity, lazy equity, which is the worst thing in the world, and really, once we understand those things, I'm going to get Michael to outline for you how you keep your own home safe and out of the bank's hands. Yeah, we don't want that big corporate monster getting hold of your hard-earned primary place of residence. Yeah, do you want to rip through it and go?
Sure.
Finance 101.
So while I'm drawing, why don't you just give everyone a quick snapshot on what equity is?
Alright, so equity is the amount of money that your home has grown in value. Equity, so we'll do the quick outline so Michael can show you the growth in equity. There's a certain amount of equity you are required to put in as deposit and costs to purchase, and usually 80% is the sort of lending landscape. Some banks will let you go a little higher, but then lazy equity is when you get additional growth of equity and you leave that sitting there, and that is really, in the investment world, the worst thing you could ever do, is to not capitalise and not use lazy equity to duplicate, and that's what we're going to go through today. When we duplicate, the way the banks wanted you to do things and the way we know things should be done as smart investors are about as polar opposite you get. So Michael, you want to rip through that?
Absolutely. So I've got a really simple diagram. All of you open corp guys that have been following this for a while will recognise this. The formula hasn't changed, but here is, I've called it your home, but it's an existing asset, right? And you've got a mortgage on that asset and you've got some equity in that asset. Now this is what we need to use, right? Here's an investment property that we want to buy, and we need to come up with the deposit and costs for that investment property. Now, we won't name the bank, but it starts with A and ends in NZ because they stitched me up.
So alright, gotcha.
Let's say...
So it took me a while then,
Just keep you on your toes. Let's say that they've got the mortgage on your own home. Now, the Australian thing to do is to have a relationship with your bank, right? So,
relationship.
Guaranteed that 95% of people out there, if they've got a mortgage with a bank and they want to buy a property, where are they going to go to get the loan? They'll go back to this bank. The issue with that, guys, is twofold. Firstly, from a security perspective, the bank will value your own home, they'll value the investment, provide no disclosure as to the valuations, and they'll use your own home as security. That's called cross-collateralization. Glad I got that out in one piece for the video. Where basically your own home is security against the investment property. Now, it's a double-edged sword. It's a great outcome because you're using this lazy equity to grow your portfolio. It's a real risk in that if anything happens to you or to this property and you can't make the repayments, the easiest way for the bank to recoup their money is to sell your own home, your castle, out from under your feet, no questions asked. Okay? So what do we do going into solution mode? It's really simple. We build a firewall between your own home and your investment property. So we take equity from here as one loan, that covers deposit and costs. We go to a different bank to get the other loan. It takes 2 weeks extra worth of effort, guys. It's another application, no extra documents, 2 weeks well spent, at least your own home safe. See you next time.
Cheers guys.